The installation should adhere to the latest edition of the National Electrical Code, NEC. Specifically, comply with Article 300.3 for wiring methods and Article 410.36 for outdoor receptacles. For strength, use rigid metal conduit, RMC. Rigid metal conduit provides excellent mechanical protection for the electrical wires. It is more robust than Carfex and will withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Mount the conduit to Uni-strut. Uni-strut is a versatile metal support system that provides a secure and sturdy base for mounting the conduit. Use appropriate clips or straps to attach the conduit to the Uni-strut. Ensure that the fixtures are rated for outdoor use and have a weather-resistant rating. Use gaskets or weatherproof covers to seal any openings in the fixtures. Firstly, use proper grounding. Connect the conduit to a grounding rod or other suitable grounding point. Secondly, allow for expansion and contraction. Ensure that there is enough slack in the conduit to accommodate temperature variations. Thirdly, protect the conduit from damage. Provide protection against physical impact using conduit bodies or other protective measures. Fourthly, consider additional support. For long conduit runs, consider using additional support structures such as posts or braces. Clearly label the conduit to indicate its contents and purpose. By following these guidelines, a code-compliant and durable installation will provide reliable electrical service to the outdoor canopy.